Prime Minister Narendra Modi today co-chaired the Artificial Intelligence AI Action Summit in Paris, France, where he said AI is creating the code for humanity in the 21st century. AI is already reshaping our economy, security, and even our society, he added. AI is developing at an unprecedented scale and speed. It's being adapted and deployed even faster, the 74-year-old stated. Assam police in a joint operation with the National Investigation Agency arrested a suspected militant of the People's Liberation Army PLA in Hojai district. He is linked to the November 13, 2021 ambush in Manipur's Churachandpur district, which killed Colonel Viplav Tripathi, his family, and 4 riflemen. At least 10 militants were involved in the attack claimed by a Manipur-based terror group. Further investigation is ongoing. The All India Senior Workers Association AICWA today demanded a ban of India's Got Latin, slamming podcaster Ranveer Alabatia for his reckless comments and calling them disrespectful to societal and family values. In a statement on their official X account, AICWA urged Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw to take strict legal action against Alabatia and comedian Samir Raina. The statement condemned an episode where Alabatia allegedly made abhorrent remarks, calling the content a threat to the moral fabric of society. United Nations Secretary-General Antonio Guterres today urged Hamas to continue the planned release of hostages, warning against renewed hostilities in Gaza. This comes after Hamas announced yesterday it would halt the exchange, citing Israeli ceasefire violation. The group was set to release more Israeli hostages on Saturday in exchange for Palestinian prisoners. Meanwhile, an Israeli delegation returned from Doha for talks on the next phase of the ceasefire, amid growing doubts over the Egyptian and Qatari brokered peace process. The Indian senior women's hockey team has started its first national camp under new coach Crispin Chatri in Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh, prepping for the Pink Ladies Cup from February 20 to 26 in Sharjah, UAE. A former youth international, Crispin has 4 years of experience coaching women's football, leading Odisha FC to its first Indian Women's League and Odisha Women's League titles. He also won the National Games gold medal with Odisha and finished IWL runners-up with Setu FC. Earlier this season, he made history by guiding Odisha FC to the AFC Women's Champions League group stage, a first for an Indian club.